Your transmission is one of the most critical components of your vehicle, and keeping it running smoothly can save you from costly repairs. Today, we're covering the best transmission additives in 2025 to keep your gearbox healthy and responsive. Let's start with a fan favorite, the Lucas Oil Transmission Fixx. This additive has built a strong reputation over the years for its ability to reduce transmission slipping, seal leaks, and smooth out rough shifting. It's compatible with most automatic transmissions and works especially well in older, high-mileage vehicles. The 24-ounce bottle is easy to apply, and users often report noticeable improvement within just a few days of driving. Lucas Oil is known for formulating treatments that not only treat symptoms, but help extend the life of transmission components. If you're experiencing delayed engagement or mild fluid leaks, Lucas 10009 is a solid first choice to try before seeking mechanical intervention. Next up is the Seafoam TransTune TT16, a cleaner designed to flush out harmful varnish and deposits that build up in your transmission over time. Unlike thicker additives that aim to improve friction, TransTune focuses on cleaning and restoring hydraulic parts, valve bodies, and shift actuators. This makes it particularly useful for vehicles with jerky shifting or those that have been running on old fluid. It's safe for use in all transmission types, including synthetic ATFs, and can even be added to power steering systems or as a pre-flush treatment during a fluid change. With an impressive 4.7-star rating and thousands of satisfied users, Seafoam TT16 is a smart option for preventative maintenance or mild drivability issues caused by dirty internal. For drivers with automatic or CVT transmissions dealing with persistent shudder or slip, XADO EX120 Automatic Transmission Fixx offers something a bit different. This 30-milliliter tube contains a metal conditioner that uses what the company calls revitalization technology, forming a protective layer on worn metal surfaces. It's not just a friction modifier, it claims to restore microscopic damage inside your transmission. While results can vary depending on the severity of wear, many users report reduced vibration, smoother shifts, and better overall gearbox response. It's easy to apply and works over the course of several hundred miles. For high-tech modern transmissions or high-mileage vehicles experiencing light wear, the XADO EX120 brings a touch of science to additive treatment. Another standout product is the Lubegard Instant Shudder Fix, a high-performance solution specifically designed to stop torque converter shudder. This issue is common in many automatic transmissions, especially in vehicles like Hondas, Fords, and GMs that use lockup converters. Lubegard's formula is highly concentrated and only requires a 2-ounce dose. It works by modifying the friction characteristics of the fluid, often stopping the shudder within minutes of application. Because of its effectiveness, many professional mechanics use this additive as part of their regular service toolkit. If your vehicle bucks or vibrates during acceleration, Lubegard's Instant Shudder Fix is a fast and affordable fix that might save you from a more expensive repair. Last but certainly not least, Liqui Moly ATF additive rounds out our list. This German-made formula is well known in the European car community for its high quality and reliable results. It's designed to reduce shifting noise, protect against wear, and improve sealing in aging automatic transmission. Unlike some heavier treatments, Liqui Moly's additive blends seamlessly with most ATF fluids and is gentle enough for long-term use. It doesn't rely on thickening the fluid, but instead works by optimizing lubrication and reducing internal resistance. For those who want a reputable OE-friendly product that keeps everything running clean and smooth, this additive earns high marks.